Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing something a little bit different and I am going to show you my weekly reset. So I know people tend to do the weekly resets on a Sunday and that's absolutely fine, but the majority is done on a Sunday, but then there is some stuff I'm going to show you that I do weekly but it's not necessarily on a Sunday. For example, grocery shopping. I don't do my groceries on a Sunday, just because, I don't know why, I just think it's always going to be packed on a weekend because everyone's doing their grocery shopping on a Sunday. So I tend to do my grocery shopping midweek. If I forget something or something was unavailable, then I might go on a Sunday to like catch it up, but more often than not I go Friday, I think. So yeah, so my weekly reset, majority is on a Sunday, but some of it is on like, just happens to be like things that I do on a weekly basis, like the grocery shopping or taking the bins out. We have our bin collected every week and that's on a Wednesday, so I have to make sure that all the rubbish is out and the bin is out. So that's a weekly thing, and I hope you enjoy this video. So I'm going to take you on a journey. Welcome to my Sunday reset. No, welcome to my weekly reset. When I do a weekly reset, I like to plan the week. So what I do first is I do a brain dump, and then I take that brain dump and then I put it in my hourly planner, and then I will transfer this information from my hourly planner to my to-do list. So let's figure out what I need to do this week. I need to film 3 videos this week. I need to do the food shop. I need to post 7 Instagram posts, stories. Need to take the rubbish out. Definitely need to do some laundry, and I also need to do my sheets. Trying to figure out what else I need to do. Eurovision is this week, so I've got to block out time for that. And don't have any appointments this week. It's next week I've got an appointment. Oh, I need to collect my meds. Yeah, I think that's it. Obviously I'll think of more, but for a quick brain dump, that is what I've got. So after I do a brain dump, I go to my hourly planner and I just fill it in. Now I have been color coordinating certain things now, just because I think it looks better. If you've got stickers or labels or something, I did use highlighter, but then I have these fine liner pens that are 0.38 millimeters, and I've been really enjoying using these. So blue is for personal, this sort of browny gold color is for cleaning, the orange is for filming or social media sort of stuff, green is for health related stuff, and purple was for working on my goals sort of thing. So if I want to plan certain time to work on my goals, it's in purple. So I'm just going to do this. So I have quite a big box at the top, and I like to put like 3 priorities in the box. So I have written some things already that just like really important. So okay, so that is my weekly schedule. I do try to do most of it in the morning and have like afternoon sort of to play catch up, just because I'm more productive in the morning. I find that I sort of like my energy dips after lunch, so I try to make sure that I do the most important stuff in the morning. So yeah, so that is how I plan my week using my brain dump, and then I will make a to-do list which is like this, and I will just write down everything that needs to get done that day, and then yeah, and that's the start of my weekly reset. That was my weekly reset. I'd love to hear what you do on your weekly resets. Leave a comment down below. And until next time, bye guys.